Introduce features interest for Findcolor Pro 30 ounces Tumbler Heat Press Machine Sublimation. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Findcolor Pro 30 ounces Tumbler Heat Press Machine Sublimation. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Imagine that when you get your cup, you can see your children, wife, friends, favorite stars, or any patterns you like. It will be very interesting and happy, right? This upgraded version of mug press machine adopts the latest sublimation transfer design. Not only to better meet your needs, but also very easy to operate and very friendly to beginners or proficient. It's time to give a personalized cup to your family or friends. Come on! If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.